Do you know the word dotakan? Probably not, because no apps or textbook teaches it. But Japanese people use words like this all the time. They are not slang or Gen Z slang. They're just real, everyday language we actually speak. But the problem is, no one teaches them. So in this video, I'm breaking down the most common words that we use all the time, but textbooks completely ignore. If you want to sound native, not like a robot, stick around. Let's get into it. So first, I'm gonna teach you words that you can use for relationships and social settings. The first one is ijiru. Ijiru. Ijiru means to mess with someone playfully. Okay, let's say I accidentally spoke English with complete Japanese accent. I was at this restaurant and you make fun of my accent. Oh, your accent, your Japanese accent. That's called ijiru. Not completely like making fun of someone, but messing with someone playfully. But if you take this too far, it turns into ijimeru. Ijimeru means to bully someone. Just make sure you are not ijimeteru someone. Next one is ichatsuku. Ichatsuku. It means to flirt or make out. Ichatsuku. Ichatsuiteru. I know all of us love flirting, making out, so this is something you should remember. Because we say this a lot. Ichatsuku. Ichatsuku. Okay, next one is nanpasuru. Nanpasuru. You can use this only when guys hitting on girls. But when a girl hit on a guy, it's called gyakunan. Gyakunanpa. Gyaku means opposite, like opposite nanpa. Nanpa is a man thing. So we put gyaku before nanpa when a girl is hitting on a guy. Remember that. Or the next one is hamaru. Hamaru. If you're a member of my community or taking my coaching plan, you already know this, because I say this a lot. It means to be into something, like into something. Like for example, 日本語教えるのハマってる. I love teaching Japanese. So if you want to say you're into learning Japanese, you can say 日本語にハマってる. Or you can even skip particle like 日本語ハマってる. 日本語ハマってる. It's not that hard. Just remember it as a set. Something ハマってる. It will make you sound more natural. Way more natural. If you say this to a native Japanese person, enjoy their reaction. These kinds of words you never see in textbooks, they are one of the keys to actually connecting with Japanese people in real Japanese conversations. But it's not just about words. You still need to master things like casual speech patterns, cultural nuance, how we draw particles and subjects. The kind of stuff that no one and no textbook teach you properly, even though it's really, really, really important. And that's why I build a community where I teach all of this directly. So if you're serious about making friends, having real connections, or just understanding Japanese movies or shows, come join us. The link is in the description. And there's also a free lesson too. Alright, let's move on to something you can use for school and work, which is saboru. Saboru. If you knew this one, you're a top 1% learner. Saboru. It means to skip class or work. 俺バイトしてた時めっちゃサボってた。学校もめっちゃサボってた。That's how you use it. I think it only works for class or work or event that requires effort for your time. Say this even when you skip your Japanese learning routine. You can say something like 今日日本語サボっちゃった。I skipped Japanese today. 今日日本語サボっちゃった。That's how you should use it. The next one is also really common. Native speakers use this all the time, which is ドタキャンする。ドタキャンする. It doesn't sound like Japanese, right? ドタキャンする. It means to cancel last minute. ドタキャン. Okay, let's say you were supposed to hang out with this Japanese friend. He canceled in the last minute or he didn't show up. And you can say ドタキャンされた。ドタキャンされた. I got canceled in the last minute. ドタキャンされた. Or if you're the one who is going to ドタキャン, you can say ドタキャンするよ。ドタキャンするよ. I'm gonna cancel in the last minute. ドタキャンするよ. Very common. Okay, the next word is very common for social media, which is バズる. バズる. I think everybody use this nowadays. バズる. あの動画見た? めっちゃバズってたよ。バズってた. Going viral. Was going viral. バズってた. If you get any Japanese friends, they will say this to you. So definitely remember this one. The last one is very convenient, interesting word. It has triple meanings, which is 決める. 決める. The official meaning of 決める is to decide. The second meaning of it is to nail it. I used to skateboard. When I get a new trick, I say 技決める. To nail a trick, to learn the trick. 技決める. And the third way to use this is very slangy, but everybody knows this, which is to take drugs, to get high. When you see something like this, it looks sus, right? But it's just a mouthwash. And like you take it, 決める. That's how you should use it. The meaning depends on the context. Alright, we just went through some of the most common words you never see in textbooks. Just knowing them can save you from those awkward moments where you're like, wait, what does that mean? Over and over again. But that's just a level 1. If you want to speak with real casual speech parents like Chan or Desho, Dayone, and actually connect with Japanese people, there's a community for that. Inside the community, I break everything down. Not just the language, but how to use it to build relationships. If that's what you want, click the link in the description. And yeah, I keep posting real stuff like this on this channel, so hit the subscribe button if you're ready to move past the foreigner phase. I'll see you in the next one. お疲れ.